How to contact Airbnb host for cleaning services. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into the video. For this, open up your Airbnb application or just tune in to your Airbnb website. Make sure to log in. To contact your Airbnb host for cleaning services, tap on your Airbnb. If you scroll down, you will see the option of Message Host. Tap on the bubble where it says Message Host, then again tap on Message Host. In this dialog box, insert your query. For an example, I've typed here inquiry for cleaning, then just tap on Send Message. Now your host will receive this message and provide you with necessary information. In some of the Airbnb, they even leave you with a contact number which you can easily dial up and directly contact or chat with their host regarding any inquiry that may include cleaning services or any other. If you face any of the difficulty regarding this process or the options are missing, you can contact the Airbnb customer support as well. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.